Handling async tasks in Godot could be more challenging than it should be. If you have few signals or async tasks, you will need to subscribe to each of them and manage a counter to check when all of them are finished, or call and wait per task, which makes the code execution much longer because all of the tasks are waiting for the previous one to finish. But you can simply use a waiter plugin, which makes handling such tasks clean and simple. Here is a small example of this plugin usage. I have a button that will run our async tasks. In this function, I create just two nodes, just simple nodes without any logic. And I want to wait till both of them are finished, are ready for usage. I call a waiter all because I want to wait all of my async tasks to be done and pass an array of signals or async functions. So I want to wait first node to be ready, second node, and also an async func. This function is just waiting 1 second, creating a tree timer, waiting 1 second, and return this array of numbers as a result. So we got 3 async tasks, 2 signals, and 1 callback. You call all, it returns you a task manager type, and you can simply use done signal, so you know when all the tasks are complete, or progress, which will be emitted per task is done. In my done callback, I just print done and free those nodes. In progress, also in done, you get the results, all results from all your async tasks as an array. In progress, you get how many are complete and what is the total amount we are waiting for. I just print this to console. That's all. And here how it look like. Run the test. The nodes are ready very fast. They're adding to trees, ready signals emitted, and the longest was our async function. All the 3 tasks are done. Done callback was signal emitted. Our done callback was called. First 2 signals give us no results, so empty arrays, and the third one gives us this array of numbers. If you want to wait not for all of your tasks, but for some amount, like 2 tasks to be completed, 3 tasks, 1 task, you can use sum method and pass additional param as number, how many tasks you need to be complete. So you get the done signal to be emitted. So I again call run our tasks. The nodes were, I suggest this was the nodes, 2 tasks are complete. The total amount is 3, but done is emitted because we need to wait only for two of them. What else could do this plugin? All, you already saw this method any. It means you're waiting for any one task to be finished. And we can wait for frames to be passed, process frames or physics frames. If you just simply need to wait some amount of frames, like 5, 10, 2 frames, before you perform any actions, you could simply call a waiter physics frames, pass the amount you want to wait, like 10 frames, and wait for done signal like this. Or you can manually connect to the signal like I did before. Now you can easily manage all your async tasks and managing the signals awaiting using this plugin.